So I was looking for a spray gun that would be able to pull less amount of air than other spray guns do, because most of them they pull like from 4 to 13 CFM. Um, and I was like, I can't do that. I only have an 8-gallon air compressor, which honestly, if you talk to professionals, they're going to tell you that's impossible. You're not going to be able to do that. But I was like, I need to find something that at least allows me to paint, some panels or whatnot. Just be able to do something with it. I'm a DIYer. I'm not a professional. I do plan on getting at least a 60-gallon, 80-gallon air compressor maybe next year. But at this point, I don't have it, and I do want to start practicing and learning. So I found this Campbell Hausfeld gravity feed spray gun kit. You can buy it at Walmart or Amazon. It's a good price. It's about 80 bucks around there. This is a 2.1 CFM at 40 psi. That was the least amount of CFM that I could find in a spray gun anywhere. It also mentions that you could use it with an 8-gallon air compressor or more than that. And 8 gallons is all I have at this time, and that's going to be the review on this one. Is going to be with an 8-gallon air compressor to see if what they advertise here is the truth or not. I really like buying all my stuff in a kit where you can put everything back in the same box it came with and not lose stuff, because I lose stuff all the time. So this allows you to put everything back in the box, and it has an exact space for each part. So even opening the tabs here that it has in the front, it's pretty hard because it's hard plastic. But it's also a good thing because it holds everything together pretty good. It holds the front doors down pretty well. So let's open it up. This is awesome. It just has everything you need in the box. It has all your brushes here, all the stuff to clean the insides and the tip as well, to clean the little hole on the tip, and just everything you need in the box. It has the air regulators here, which they look pretty nice, decent quality. We'll have to try them out. So the one thing I guess negative about this is when you try to remove something out of the box, it's pretty hard. I try to get this air regulator initially out of its place right here, and it was just really hard to take out. I had to use a spoon here in the kitchen to be able to take it out, and still I struggled a little bit. So that could be a negative. It could also be a positive because it keeps everything well secured. Again, the air regulators, they seem like a decent quality. They don't seem bad. They're not the best. They're probably just cheap ones, but they seem okay, and we'll have to try them out and see what I think about them. The gun also seems okay. Again, it's not the best quality. It's not the top level, of guns. It's just a decent quality that you can spray with, and if it gives good results, then it doesn't matter how it looks. How it feels, I guess, does matter to some people, but how it looks doesn't matter to me. The 1.4 tip is what it comes with, and that's pretty much all you get. You don't get any other tips. You just get a 1.4. It only comes with 2 knobs, one for the fan control, the other one for the fluid control. And then the bottom there's nothing on the bottom, which means the air intake is all the way open. So pretty much you regulate your air with the external regulator, which is fine. I like that better. So then you have your small gun for touch-ups. I think this one comes with a 0.8 tip, and feels pretty nice. Small gun. And then, other than that, just the paint cups. Pretty nice quality. They feel pretty strong. And then it also comes with this thread seal tape, which that is awesome that it even includes that much. They put a lot of detail in just having everything ready for you. Nice coupler here ready to go. And then it also comes with 10 paint filters as well as a wrench to be able to use it for your gun. And finally, you have 5 inline paint filters. So that's it. I mean, other than that, everything's pretty well packed, ready to go. Looks beautiful here in the box with the brand up there also engraved, and then on the outside of the box too. This is just a nice set, a nice sturdy little set for a nice price. We'll see how it does. I'll have to test it out and then come back and do a review on actually putting it to work and see how it sprays. So the 2.1 CFM, we'll see about that. We'll have to come back and do another video with a review on it and see if it really does a 2.1 with an 8-gallon air compressor. I'll have to come back and let you guys know how it does. We'll do a review on actually putting it to work. Thanks for watching.